Hello traders, welcome to our Altrady series. Today we're zooming in on a crucial aspect of trading risk management, the stop-loss function. This feature acts as a safeguard for your positions, stepping in to minimize losses when the market moves against you. We'll guide you through setting a stop-loss with your entry orders and how Altrady's unique features enhance this function. A stop-loss order is your trading safety net. It's designed to limit an investor's loss on a position by automatically closing it at a specific price point. Using a stop-loss is crucial for proper risk management. A stop-loss on a long position is placed below your entry buy orders. It will close your position when the stop price is reached, ensuring that you don't lose more than you are willing to risk on the position. Sometimes, stop-loss prices are reached on a very fast drop in the price and the return to a save area and actually hit your take-profit level. Altrady offers a stop-loss cool-down function to prevent your position from closing in this fast movements. So how do you set this up in Altrady? Let's start by setting up a long position with a single limit entry order. Now, we enable the stop-loss function and we can choose from stop market or stop limit orders. With the stop market order, we have to specify the stop price. This is the price where the position will be closed. Now you can enable the cool down function. For the cool down function, we have two options: cool down based on a fixed time or on a candle close. The fixed time will pause the execution of the stop loss for the specified time starting after the stop price is first triggered. The candle close function will set the time to the closing of the candle on the selected time frame. You can also specify an emergency stop loss price. This will ensure that if the price continues to drop and hit your emergency stop loss price, the cool down will cancel and your position will be closed at market value. Effectively managing trading risks with a stop loss order is essential, and Altrady's advanced features offer you both flexibility and protection. Mastering these tools allows you to trade with confidence, safeguarding your investments against unforeseen market downturns. For more expert tips and trading strategies, don't forget to subscribe. Stay safe and trade smart.